Hi, John Cuneo here with another episode of Take Two presented by Solievo. Is your credit union secure? Is it compliant? Is there a difference? Credit unions must understand that to safeguard their members' information, you must be secure and compliant. Both concepts are not only necessary but critical to preventing information breaches from occurring. So what makes them different? Let's start with compliance. Compliance is a demonstration of how your credit union meets specific security standards as outlined by regulations and/or governing bodies. Compliance keeps your credit union compliant, but doesn't necessarily keep your credit union secure from the daily changes in threats and exploits. Compliance allows credit unions and organizations to meet a basic starting point of protecting their sensitive information in networks. Security, on the other hand, is a set of controls and/or measures put in place to protect how information is used, consumed, and provided within your credit union or organization. Security is a bottom-up approach when determining your risks, deploying mitigations, and setting up controls that work together to ensure your information, network, and systems are safe. Security programs that are comprehensive and consistent should provide your credit union or organization with the compliance that is required. Solievo's team of experts is available to help your credit union create an information security program that will take into account compliance obligations. For additional information, please visit www.solievo.com or contact one of our senior consultants.
Take Two is presented by Solievo. Take 2 minutes now to save you time later.